Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're doing fine. My name is Sophia. In case you're new here, on this channel I share daily hair and beauty tips, so please consider subscribing to my channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you get notified when I upload a new video. So guys, today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make a homemade vitamin C soap. So guys, let's dive right into it. Here I have one orange and one lime, and I'm going to be using this to make my soap. So I'm going to go ahead and peel off the back of the orange and that of the lime as well. And once I have that ready, next I'm going to be putting it in a blender, and I'll be using a little bit of water to blend it till it's smooth. So once I'm done blending it, I'm going to go ahead to use my strainer to strain out the liquid, and then I will just throw away the shaft. I'm going to be using the liquid to make my soap. So here I have my liquid ready. Next I'm going to be using a soap base to make it, and this is just a simple melt and pour soap base. So I'm going to be using this heat method to melt it by placing it in a heat resistant plate and putting it inside the water. I'm going to stir it till I'm sure the soap base has melted very well. So once my soap base is ready, I'm going to take it down, and while it's still hot, I'll go ahead and mix in the liquid that I got from the orange peel earlier, and I'm going to be pouring it just a little bit by little, and while I'm pouring, I'll be mixing just like that. So once I'm done mixing it, I'm going to go ahead and pour it in my soap stamp. Then after pouring it in my soap stamp, I'm going to leave it for a few hours for it to cool off, and then I'll come back and take it off the stamp and show you guys. So my soap is ready. So if you follow this video accordingly, your soap should be like this when you're done. This is a very easy and simple soap to make, and it is very handy. You can use it as hand soap or you can use it as body soap, whichever way you want to use it. It is very good because it's made from natural ingredients and no added color or chemicals. So guys, thank you for watching my video. Thank you my subscribers for always coming back for your support. May God bless you. See you on my next video. Bye bye.